Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.